How to fix Discord muffling other audios. Firstly, open Discord app or website on your device. After that, you will land to this kind of interface. Now open settings on your device. You can do that by clicking Windows key plus I key. When you do that, then settings will open. In settings, you need to go to system. Inside system, go to sound. Now under sound, scroll down. Under the section advanced, you will see more sound settings. Click on that. Here at the top, you will see speakers. Double click on speaker to open a new dialog box. In that dialog box, at the top you will see different sections. Go to advanced. Now disable these two checkbox. After that, click on apply and click on OK. Now again at the top, go to recording tab. Under recording tab also, click on the first option microphone array properties. Now follow the same step and go to advanced and uncheck the boxes. Click on apply. After this has been done, go to Discord and go to user settings. Scroll down on the left panel and select video and voice. Under the section voice, scroll down. Now scroll down and go to the section advanced. Under the section advanced, if you see any checkbox, then make sure to uncheck that. If there are no checkboxes, then don't worry. By doing this much, your problem should be fixed. That's all for today. Thank you.